How to normalize a NumPy array to within a certain range? After doing some processing on an audio or image array, it needs to be normalized within a range before it can be written back to a file. This can be done like so. Is there a less verbose, convenience function way to do this? Matplotlib.colors.normalize doesn't seem to be related.
Using /equals and equals allows you to eliminate an intermediate temporary array, thus saving some memory. Multiplication is less expensive than division, so is marginally faster than. Since we are using basic NumPy methods here, I think this is about as efficient a solution in NumPy as can be. In-place operations do not change the d-type of the container array. Since the desired normalized values are floats, the audio and image arrays need to have floating point d-type before the in-place operations are performed. If they are not already a floating point d-type, you'll need to convert them using a scipy. For example,
if the array contains both positive and negative data, I'd go with if the array contains nan, one solution could be to just remove them as However, depending on the context, you might want to treat nan differently. For example, interpolate the value, replacing n with, for example, 0, or raise an error. Finally, worth mentioning, even if it's not ops question, standardization.
You can also rescale using sklearn. The advantages are that you can adjust normalize the standard deviation, in addition to mean centering the data, and that you can do this on either axis, by features, or by records. The keyword arguments axis, with _mean, with _std are self-explanatory, and are shown in their default state. The argument copy performs the operation in place if it is set to false. Documentation here. You are trying to min-max scale the values of audio between -1 and +1 and image between 0 and 255. Using sklearn.preprocessing.minmax_scale should easily solve your problem. For example, and note, not to be confused with the operation that scales the norm, length, of a vector to a certain value, usually 1, which is also commonly referred to as normalization.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.